Well, one of our users would like some assistance because they're grappling with a problem with MTEXT. The user has taken a drawing from an architect and converted it into LCD or gCADPlus format, and they have within the drawing some MTEXT. It's an MTEXT entity, as you see over here. But if I hit the escape key and get out of that, can you see that inside what's displaying are some cryptic codes? And if I select the MTEXT entity and edit the contents, you may be able to see that there are \PXQR, semicolon, left squiggly bracket, and so on. So what's happened is that if you're working in the AutoCAD environment, you can access a little MTEXT editor within the text contents, and you can apply what are called control codes to text. So that rather cryptic opening piece says we're going to use and display that in a style called Arial, and its font height and whatever is specified, and sprinkled right through the text additional backslashes and /P, \P, and so on, which indicates a desire for new paragraphs and things. Now I'll cancel from there and hit escape, and that's come back. We don't have a quick and easy way of editing and improving this, and what I've done over here, there's no substitute for diving in to the MTEXT and just taking out all those codes. So that's what I've done here. I've come back to the left, grabbed it, and just worked my way through and removed all of those control codes that are in the piece of text, and we can OK that. And what that gives us is control over things like the alignment, the character height, line space. In fact, I could bring that up to 1, and you see the lines spread out a little. So we have some control over text inside an MTEXT box, and you can also control things by the style itself. We've got a style Arial. We could go to format text, and in the style Arial we could give an obliquing angle if we wanted to. Let's exaggerate it a little. We could say 20 degrees and hit enter and go OK, and you can see now the style changes. So we do have some fairly convenient ways of changing things in a text box, but we don't have the, if you like, AutoCAD users might call it the sophistication of the control of the text spacing, font and alignment within their MTEXT box. But unfortunately the only way to correct this is to edit that text and get rid of those cryptic codes.